Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the hidden album visible. That's the only reliable path. First, open Settings and tap Photos. Make sure Hidden Album is toggled on so the album appears in Photos. Once done, open the Photos app and switch to Albums. Scroll to the Utilities section where Hidden lives. You're doing this because iOS stores hidden items in a dedicated album. Without that album visible, you can't access the Unhide controls, so enable it now and proceed. Now that Hidden is visible, tap Albums, then find Hidden under Utilities. Once inside, tap Select at the top right and choose each photo you want to restore to your main library. After selecting, tap the Share icon or the three-dot More menu and pick Unhide. This moves images back to moments, years, and their original albums. Make sure you select all relevant items before Unhide. If you miss one, it stays hidden. This precise selection step is how you reverse the hide action. Finish by confirming photos reappear where they belonged. Check Library, Albums, and Moments. If a restored image still doesn't show, verify iCloud Photos is syncing because Unhide can take a moment to propagate across devices. If issues persist, check Recently Deleted in case something was removed. Otherwise, toggle Hidden Album off and on in Settings, restart the phone, and if necessary sign out and back into iCloud. That sequence clears common glitches and ensures the Hidden Album and Unhide controls behave correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.